So Benji's question is about what can you do when your ad account got disabled? Very simple, Benji. If your ad account got disabled, go into your ad account. There must be some link that you can click and go in. They will tell you that what have you done? Why is it being disabled? And there must be a link for you to click on to ask for a review. Now, once you have clicked on the link, they usually will lend you to certain places to ask you either to submit some document or to actually write something to explain and whatnot. Just follow all the things that they want you to do, okay? And yeah, and basically that's it. You see, even I am a Facebook preferred marketing partner and all these, a certified professional. We do not have any back door to help you get your account back, to be very frank, because very simple. Facebook is very strict in terms of monitoring and policy wise kind of thing. The simple rule or simple advice that I have for anyone who wants to make sure that their ad account do not get disabled, their profile do not get disabled, their business manager do not get disabled, is to follow the rules. That's the only way. But of course, I understand. A lot of people are really frustrated because they don't even start running ads, they got disabled. They follow the rule, they got disabled. You see, very simple. If you follow the rule, everything you do is clean and not something shady. The moment you go and submit and ask for review and all that, 99%, I would say maybe 95%, you'll get your account back. 95%, you'll get your account back. But of course, there could be scenario that they really screw up. There's no choice. There are many other ways to create a new ad account or start somewhere fresh. So it's not the end of the world, but follow the steps. Everything is gonna be all right.